Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm really happy to come back again to teach you more about a Swiss programming language for basic, for getting started to build an iOS application for beginner. So today I will talk about how to create a class, how to declare a class in Swiss programming language, how to declare a class with a function, declare a class with an inheritance, declare with property, extend an existing class, and one more thing is implement a singleton class. Okay, let's go ahead to create together. The first thing you need to do, I want to talk about how to declare a simple class in Swiss programming language by using the keyword called class. And the next is we need to put our class name. I can say animal, for example. Okay, like this. So what we need to do is what we need to add is init init. Okay, over here like this, and open this like this. So what init is a constructor in Swiss programming language when we create a class. So I think you know about constructor. Constructor in other class it's called constructor, but in the Swiss programming language, constructor we use init function. Okay, so I can print to see because a constructor will call when we create a new object. Okay, I can say object created. Okay, let's run it. So it's nothing print here because we not yet create any object. Okay, so for example, I need to create a new object from class animal. Okay, by create an instance, you can here animal. It is how we create a new object in Swiss programming language. Okay, let's run it. It will call the init function because we create a new object in Swiss programming language. Okay, let's run it. Okay, as you can see, the message in here print out because when we create a new object, it's called constructor here. Okay. One more thing I want to show you how to create a function in the class. We can create any kind of function in here in that class. I can say create a function called say hello. Yeah, and one more thing I want to create a function get my name. For example, I can pass a parameter called name, a string, like this. So I can return name. Okay, I don't need to return, I need to print the name. Hello, my name is name, like this. Okay, so when we create it, we can call by. Okay, I need to print one statement. I can say hello everyone, like this. So when I call, you can call the function inside the class by using new instance dot say hello like this. So when we run it, okay, you can see it will call the function in there. One thing we can create a call function get my name and put the name. You can say make my for hour like this and run it. Yeah, as you can see, it printed out like this. It's really simple. I think you understand about it. So we move to the next thing is we create inheritance from the other class, from the base class. So I can say I create a new class called cat and inherit. In the C programming language, we use this symbol for inherit, where you need to inherit what class. So I need to inherit from the animal class. So it's like this. Okay, really completion. So you write like this, you can inherit all the things from the animal class. So I can say this. So I can say I create a new instance cat from the cat like this. So when I can do this, say hello and run it. Yeah, as you can see, it's printed out, but actually this function is belong to the class animal, but we inherit from the animal, so everything in animal is everything animal. The cat class is held too. So yeah, get my name like this. Remy Bay. Run it. Hello, my name is Bay. Okay, it's really simple. I think you understand about it. Let's move on to the next. Okay, so now I want to show you in the class we can create property. The property you can say well, I can say name string. You can assign it to nil. It to empty. So we can assign it. So we have a name can assign it to. Okay, we can assign it to Baba. So when we print cat.name, what it will print, let's be around together. As you can see, it's print Baba because we assigned the name to our prompt. Okay, one more thing I want to show you. We can create extension from existing class. Okay, let's move on. I want to close it. Okay, in C programming language, we can extend some property and some function to the existing class, like integer, like a string, like any object. So I want to show you, for example, I want to show you about the extend to the integer. Okay, when you need to extend to existing class, we need to use keyword extension, like this, to integer class, and open here. So what I need to extend? So for example, I want to extend a function that I need to multiply with a value, let's say integer, yeah, like this, and I need to return an integer back. So what we need to do is return self multiply to the value. It's really simple. Okay, so when let's try to make it work, I can say print. Okay, 7 1 multiply value. I can say 2, like this. Yeah, as you can see, 7 multiplied with 2, so equal to 14. 7 is an integer, so we can use multiply function that we just extend to the existing class integer. Okay, it's really simple. I think you understand about it. Okay, the last thing I want to show you and I want to talk about is singleton in Swiss programming language. Okay, let's move. Okay, the singleton we can create, we can say share manager like this. We need to have static let share instant equal to itself, because singleton is create just one time. So when we init, can print object create. So we can create a function, some function, do something. Okay. We can train it to do something. Okay, how to use it? Here is a simple singleton class. As you can see, simple singleton class in the Swiss programming language. And then, how to use it? We can use by calling the class here manager and dot share instant. Yes, instant. And one thing is dot to do something like this. It's a little bit different from the simple class. So let's run it. Sorry. Let's run it. Yeah, as you can see, it does something. It's pretty. Yeah, as you can see, the object is created just one time. Yeah. Okay, I think you understand, and if you have any question, you can ask me below this video, and you can suggest any topic that you want to uh, let me make the tutorial for you. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share if you like this. And the next video will talk about the new tutorial, talk about the Swiss programming language more for beginner. Okay, thank you and good luck. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.